Welcome to Games Creation Channel. Deckard and Luke are two people who don't get along very well, with a mission to save Deckard's sister, Hattie, against a cyborg with the nickname the Black Superman, and Dominic Toretto fights to save the child, Letter B, who is kidnapped by Dante Reyes, the son of the dead Brazilian mafia, Hernan Reyes.
I just wish he knew.
In this scene, we will see between the Hobbs family with Shaw against one helicopter and Toretto against two helicopters. The Hobbs family and Shaw with the cars and Toretto with one car. Indeed, the helicopters they fight are of different specifications. Although only one of the helicopters fought by Deckard and Luke is very large, and Dominic fought two slightly smaller helicopters. Even though it has been assisted with 3 additional cars, Luke and Deckard still seem to have difficulty facing that one helicopter. They used many strategies to bring down the chopper. And Dominic with his calmness against helicopters more easily. With 4 nose tubes in each car, finally the helicopter was damaged, but it can still fly. While Dom with 1 nose tube in his car, the 2 helicopters were instantly destroyed. The 2 videos are the final scenes of the movie Fast Furious Hobbs and Shaw and Fast X. What a cool scene we can see. Look forward to their next story in Fast 11, which is still unknown when it will be released. See you in the next video.